What time is it?
I'll tell you what time it is. It's time for you to stop yelling. What time is it? Now, as I digress, word on the street is everybody's already getting really excited about the Tampa Bay Black Heritage Festival. Last year's celebration was sweet, but this year's event right here, gonna be awesome.
Tell 'em, brother.
The Tampa Bay Black Heritage Festival, featuring 10 days of fun-filled cultural activities. The evening gala at the Strat Center, the Living History exhibit at HCC Del Mabry, a financial seminar for businesses, including the festival's signature event, the Heritage 2-Day Street Festival at Curtis Hickson Waterfront Park, with a 5K walk for health and free health screenings. Don't miss Old School Saturday with Compunction. Climax. Then we're gonna jazz it up on Sunday with the incredible Eric Darius. Join us for the excitement, January 17th through the 26th. Learn more at TampaBlackHeritage.org.